Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. A little bit behind schedule, but I'm about to go get my workout on. I did my my gratitude and my positive thoughts this morning, so I wanted to share that. So this morning, I'm grateful for a long, restful sleep. Y'all, I fell asleep at like 9:20 last night. That never happens anymore. It might even have been before that. I don't know. Children who lead and follow by example. This morning when I came up here, the reason why I'm falling behind is Noah was working out when I came up here at 6:45. So that's awesome. I love to see that. And then a clear mind, focus on my health. I just feel so peaceful. I don't have any like crazy thoughts going on. It's just very even keel, other than this crater of I don't know what's happening there. Oh well, it is what it is, right? Okay, so positive thoughts. I found a quote today, and it says, the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little piece of extra. And that's from Jimmy Johnson. So I'm going to use that as my positive thought of the day and push just a little bit harder. Today is upper body. My shoulders are already tense, so I'm gonna go stretch and get this workout done. Workout is done. I need water. So today I did strength with Bettina on Fitness Plus. It was good, 21 minutes. Had a really cool hip hop and R&B kind of soundtrack, so that was fun. It was good. I wish I would have known it wasn't going to be so much upper body. It was more of just strengthening. So, I mean, nothing wrong with it. Wasn't hardcore what I was looking for. So we'll have to find a better way. I also need to look through the app more to see, how they have it all divided up, because I just went to strength and then it recommended this one. Don't get me wrong, my arms are on fire, but I don't know. I'd like to see if they had something that was more upper body. So it went really well though. I'm dying of thirst. I haven't drank this. I'm using this cup today and I'm maybe a third of the way down. So I'm feeling thirsty. Yesterday was no problem at all getting all of my water in. So I will definitely continue to stick with that. But I'm gonna drink some water and then go get in the shower because I feel really sweaty and gross. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys. Just some catch up. I've taken a shower. I actually had my shake and I had my salad. All of that's good. And then I actually spent some time today looking for 5Ks. And I registered for the virtual 5K through Disney Run for the Star Wars event, which is at the end of April, mid-April, I guess. So I have that on the books. My goal is to run half of that and walk half of that. We'll see how much that happens. The other one that I actually signed up for today, I'm a bit of an overachiever. The second one, it's through goneforarun.com. And basically it's a virtual running site. A lot of them are running, but this one is specifically, it was dated 2020, but I guess nothing is actually dated as far as like the bib or any of that. But it was released in 2020 and it is a personalized distance and activity. So I could put that I was walking and I could put that I was walking a 5K. So that's really exciting. So my goal right now, I'm looking at the calendar to figure out when I will be able to put that kind of on the books and get to the point where I'm walking at that length without stopping, because I don't want to stop. I want to be able just to walk the whole thing. I don't really have an idea of timing at this moment, but I want to, I need to start training because I haven't walked like that. So I'm trying to look at either the end of February, early March, so that will give me, a solid 6 to 8 weeks to really start walking and get better about it. And then starting in after that race, I will start doing more of a couch to 5K program where I'm doing a walk and run because I want to run at least half of the 5K in April. So I'm super excited about it. If you have suggestions about couch to 5K programs or suggestions for running plans, please send them my way. I know that Run Disney has a lot of experts that specialize in that, so I'm going to go look on their website now, find out what I can find, and go ahead and put that on the docket, so to speak, for my activities. But I'm really excited. I think it'll be really good, and I'm super proud of myself for on day 2 organizing when I'm going to be doing my 5Ks. Hey friends, it is about 7:30-ish. Today was okay. I didn't do as well as what I planned. I know that I didn't eat enough starting out the day. So I had my shake this morning with some fruit. For lunch, I had a big salad, which was delicious and had all the good things in it. For dinner, we had chicken bog and broccoli. And I had both my snacks that I had originally planned, which was celery and peanut butter, as well as grapes. And I was starved at lunchtime, and I was starved at snack time, and I was starved at dinner time, to the point where I actually had 2 servings of dinner, and I had some dessert, which, I mean, it's fine. I'm not mad at myself for that, but I really should have ate more throughout the day. And I've been adding up my calories just to kind of see where I'm at, to see what I need to do better at. And I hit the same amount of calories I hit yesterday, and I did not feel that whole hangry feeling yesterday, but I definitely was pretty hungry today. So there's that. The other thing that didn't work out, I did not go for my walk today. I wasn't feeling good. It's that time of the month, and it was bad. So I didn't go for my walk, so I definitely need to do that tomorrow. But otherwise, I mean, it was a pretty okay day. I'm super excited about my 5Ks. I'm sitting here waving my pen around like a magic wand. I'm super excited about the 5Ks I signed up for. I picked the last weekend in February for the 5K that I'm going to do independently, and then the Star Wars 5K is in April. So I'm really excited about both of those. So now I'm going to plan out my food for tomorrow. We do have plans with friends tomorrow night. And I am going to plan out all of that food and get that kind of together so I have a good idea, so I don't go into dinner tomorrow hungry, hangry, all of the things. One thing, I did get a ton of sleep last night. I was so tired. And like I said, it might be because, it's that one dreaded week a month, but it could be that, or it could just be that I was beat from working out and nourishing my body the way I needed to. And then I can call her Betty. Betty right here decided to take residence in the one spot that I always put my pen, which is probably why it's like that. I always do that with my pen. Anyways, I have Betty going on. Got to get rid of her. It's time to evict her out. But I'm feeling really good. I'm tired. I drank all my water. That's going really well. So I feel like I will definitely hit my goal at the end of the week. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's going to happen. I don't want to feed you guys the same pieces of information. I just really want this to be, motivating and successful in that sense. I just think it's really important to be authentic and be real with yourself. One of the reasons why I'm not calling this a New Year's resolution is because this isn't just something that I want to fix on a temporary scale. This is something that I want to fix because now I'm getting to the scary point. Even when I was pregnant, I was overweight for both of my pregnancies, so I was considered high risk, but I never had, they put me through all of the diabetic testing and the sugar glucose test and all of those. I had to take 2 of those every pregnancy with my last 2. They were just expecting me to have all these complications and issues. and I never had them. So, I mean, my body is taking care of me in that sense. I don't want to push my luck to where it becomes such an issue, and then losing the weight is even harder. And that's, I'm really coming to that realization. And then, in 2020, I really learned what it meant to take care of your body and what that feels like. And whenever I stopped taking care of my body, I could feel a major difference. So that's another reason. This isn't a resolution. And if resolutions are your thing, great. I'm all about, growing and changing and making yourself better. But I don't want to feel discouraged, and I don't want you to feel discouraged when you take this leap for something that's huge, and then you crash and burn 2 weeks into it because you restricted all of your sugar, and you did all of these restrictions, and you can't live like that. One thing I want to do is I want to make my changes gradual. Right now I'm focusing on exercising and fueling my body with better foods. So I started with my snacks. So all of my snacks have went from candy, cakes, cookies to, popcorn, which isn't great for you, but it's still a favorite snack of mine. It's probably one of the healthiest of all the snacks I normally eat. Fruit to, veggies, like all of those are really good replacements. I don't want to get to the point to where I can't have white pasta. If I want white pasta, I should be able to have white pasta. And that's just kind of my mindset with all of this. So, it's about making small changes, because the small changes will add up and create a huge impact by the end of it. So I hope that encourages you guys a little bit. I will see you guys later. Have a good one.